Okay, I am at Yahoo right now with Irv Henderson. He is going to show us the new product, livestand.
So thank you, Michi. livestand is a digital newsstand that offers users a dynamic content that is programmed for their interest and their context. We've implemented this product with a very streamlined design, easy to navigate experience. Here I'm thumbing through publications that are on the platform, and it is a platform, so publishers can come and create their own magazine on this platform. But you can see the very seamless execution, very simple implementation. We wanted to do something that was true to what we think is the next generation of these experiences, that it would be the best of magazines and the best of the web. And the best of magazine is high fidelity photography with a focus on content of interest, and the best of the web is what is dynamic, it is personal, it's communications, and it's content. And here I'm going to show you an ad that we've executed that basically it's a rich media ad. I just selected HP printer, and it uses the accelerometer on the device to create a real fun experience. And this is our rethinking of this digital canvas in terms of how you can offer advertising. I want to show you how we're dealing with multimedia in the product. And to do that, I'll go to the categories, and this is where the user gets new content, and I'll click on Nike Run. Notice again the simplicity in the design. I want to show you a video, so
today is the day to act like today is your day, and you will be surprised that it is.
Beautiful.
So seamless navigation inside the content to the multimedia, play and exit with a navigation back to where you were. I also want to show you what we're doing with communications in the product. Here you can select a watch. I'm a runner. I'm very interested in this new watch from Nike. And as I'm navigating through the content, I can actually comment on the content. And the way we're using communications around the content is we are allowing users to comment with their friends, to share on their different social networks, to use Yahoo email, Yahoo Instant Messenger to communicate with their friends. So what's different here is using communications as a core part of experiencing the content. And I want to show you one more thing as I go back to the library. On Yahoo Today, which is another publication we have, one of the things that we've done at scale is personalization, and Yahoo Today personalizes over 45,000 combinations every 5 minutes. Specific to what users are clicking on and what they've indicated interest in. So for me, I'm into sports. Here you can see content related to things that I've selected in the past. Okay.
Yeah, it's interesting that these sort of high fidelity photo magazine type of layout that has been that kind of reminded me of Flipboard. For iPad, electronic publication application in a way, and but this one is not just for iPad. This for multi-platform and multi-devices. Is that correct?
Yeah, I mean several things about this. It's a device and platform agnostic, meaning I'm showing you an experience here on the iPad, but I could show you a similar experience on this is a Samsung Galaxy 7-inch Froyo. But you get the idea. I mean, we've developed this experience to scale across the various platforms. So our vision is to deliver a product experience that works on multiple operating systems and multiple form factors.
Now, how easy it is for the publisher to create this type of content on your platform?
Yeah, so I would say, I mean, this product we will launch in the first half of the year. Today, that answer is very dependent on how much work the publisher has done with our content management system. We ingest the content here, and we, do a representation of that content for the various formats. So it's pretty important that we do content optimization in that process. By the way, to comment on Flipboard, this is a platform. You download an application for free, and you get access to magazines that are programmed for you over time. The magazines are, on the back end of Yahoo, they're ingested content. So this is really, it's a publishing, that's why we called it livestand. It's a play on the word in English, newsstand, but it is alive, and it is dynamic, and it constantly updates. So it's really, we went for, what we saw in industry is a number of publishers were having difficulties coming to this new format, and difficulties in terms of scaling cost, and the technical challenges. This is an entirely new experience than the old executions on magazines, and you have to build out audiences for something like this. So we thought it was a great opportunity. We heard users telling us that they wanted a remix, and we felt that this was a real good way to deliver the experience at scale.
If the user is using it on the PC, will it be on the web based, or are you going to? Do you have to download the app or something like that?
Yeah, this experience as is right now is not available on the web. Okay. We are planning a web version. At launch, we will be available on at least Android and iOS.
Okay.
And we will evaluate Windows Phone 7.
I see.
But we do have a view to make this available on the PC.
Okay.